when I was born, my the grandparents or parents, they gave me a name that is the Akshat Gar, which I used it for the 24 years of which I used it for 24 years. But after completing my 24 years of age now, which I have earned is that I can use before my name is a chartered accountant word, which is a very much proud moment for me right now, which I've earned it for my continued dedication towards studies or towards other activities. So that is a proud moment for me right now. Hello everyone. To begin with, I would like to thank the Job Ask team who has given me this opportunity to be a part of a Job Ask stories. So there are a few questions that I would be answering. To the first one is the who are you? Myself Akshat Gar. I have recently qualified my CA final examination in July 2021 attempt. Talking about my articleship experience, I have done it from the two different firms, one from the ASC Associates LLP, Gurugram, and next from the Jain Associates, Chandigarh. And then after completing my 2 years of articleship, I opted for the industrial training, that is from the Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Private Limited, Bengaluru. The next one question I would be answering is that describe your early childhood to your academic journey. Till 5th standard, I was in the 14th JTC Army Public School, Subathu, located in Himachal Pradesh. And then after completing my 5th standard, I shifted to a new place, that is Solan, which is a 20 kilometer far away from my native place, or you can say a place where from my roots belong to. Okay, and the rest of my schooling I have done it from that Solan only, that is from the Gurukul International Public School and the MRA DV Senior Secondary Public School. And after completing and after my 12th examination, that is the 12th board examination, I went to Chandigarh for a CPT coaching or a foundation coaching. The next one, the question I would be answering: what were your initial life goal as a child or as a teenager? What I remember is that as a child or as a teenager, I was not having any goal or any future aspiration to do. But what I remember is that when I was in class 12, our teacher used to ask us a lot what will be you opting it for the class 11th, or what are your goals. So I generally used to say to my teacher that ma'am, I will be going for a merchant navy, so I will be opting for the non-medical examination. But when I talked this about in my family that I want to go in the merchant navy, my family refused me to do so. So the last option left with me is to do a commerce with mathematics only, because I was very much weak in the biology, so I never think about to opt for the medical stream. So that was the schooling journey. The next question I would like to answer is what are you most proud of right now? The most proud moment for me right now, is that when I was born, my the grandparents or parents, they gave me a name that is the Akshat Gar, which I used it for the 24 years of used it for 24 years. But after completing my 24 years of age now, which I have earned is that I can use before my name is a chartered accountant word, which is a very much proud moment for me right now, which I've earned it for my continued dedication towards studies or towards other activities. So that is a proud moment for me right now. The next question for me is that what are your current aspirations for the future, if any? As of now, I am not having any current aspirations for the future, but what I am thinking about right now is to get a best placement in one of the industries of the India, which I am working on it also, and that I want to achieve right now. There are other goals also which I want to achieve, but I will talk that in later on. So the current aspiration for me right now is to get a best placement in one of the industries of the India. The last one question is any message or word of wisdom that you would like to answer with the younger generation, please do. Okay, I would say to my younger generation is that और क्या सी एक्सपीरियंस इज दैट कि the only way to achieve success is to hard work or dedicated towards the studies, not only towards studies, also others activities also. You should live a balanced life. You should involve in any other activities also. You should not only dedicated towards studies only, you should also involve in other activities also, like physical activities or gaming or music, dance, etc. Because to be a very much good in studies, you have to be a mentally strong or the physically strong. So that what I have experienced in my life ki to be a success in a life, you have to not focus only on the studies also, but you have to focus on other activities also. That will help you to achieve a success in your life. I would like to share one more thing, that the one quote I would like to use a lot or admire a lot in my books, or I would uh, used to write in my books notebook also, that don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. So this quote motivates me a lot, or I used to speak a lot this quote in my life also, or with my friends also. So this was from my side. So thank you so much once again, Jobas team, for giving me this opportunity, and the best of luck to my all future CA aspirants. One day you will achieve a success, and the best wishes from my side. Thank you so much.